In the Excel metadata management tool, there are a set of light gray sheets and 3 dark gray ones. These darker sheets contain the configurations, data type mappings, and version information for the current customer or metadata project. Load the configurations by clicking the Get All Settings button. The configurations sheet contains the BimmerFlex configurations and their values. The data type mappings sheet contains the rules for data type mappings and expansion that can be formed on the source metadata. The versions sheet contains the versions available for the current customer. The configurations has a list of metadata columns, their data types, and how and where they are derived. As an example, here we can see that the row effective from date has a column name of flex row effective from date. It is of datetime 2, and for SSIS loads, uses the parent batch start time as value for the loaded rows. It is defined as derived into staging and persistent staging, and uses the source value for loading to the data vault. Row change type, by comparison, is not derived by default. This would track inserts, updates, and deletes. Should there be a need to store change type, the configuration would need to be updated and an expression to drive the value added. There are default values for Azure Blob Storage destinations in case the load to blob storage functionality is used. There is a large number of naming convention specifications to configure the way names are generated by BimmerFlex. Should the default naming convention not fit, update it here to drive the behavior across BimmerFlex. There are configurations for end dating, orchestration features such as rollback. There are some SSIS-specific configurations that might need to be tweaked in certain environments. There is also a configuration for source schema names. The default configuration removes the schema name from the table names. Should there be a source with multiple schemas where this information needs to be retained in the table names, this configuration allows that to be added to the table names.